What's up, guys? It's TJ with another crypto video, and today I'm bringing you guys some tips and tricks from TradingView. I just recently started using some templates, and man, it made my life a whole lot easier. So if you're like me and you're looking at charts, and maybe you like to use these indicators sometimes, and then other times you like to look at these indicators to see kind of what they're saying. And yeah, I just found a super quick and easy way to go back and forth between those. So let me show you guys how I got mine set up. So basically I have a few different styles that I like to look at, just different ways that I've learned to trade, right? So right now I got Market Cipher up, right? So this is all the Market Cipher indicators: Market Cipher A, Market Cipher SR, the new DBSI, Market Cipher B on the bottom, and then I just have some EMAs on there as well, right? So what we're going to be talking about today is templates, right? So if you go across this top bar, it's this icon right here. It's got the little bars on the bottom with the little line going over the top, and indicator templates. So basically you can set up your favorite indicators all in basically a template. That way you can switch back and forth, right? So this is the Market Cipher template that I'm on now. It's got all of my Market Cipher indicators the way that I like them set up when I'm looking specifically for Market Cipher stuff, right? So it's got all of every single indicator from Market Cipher. And then sometimes I like to look at the charts the way Traders Reality looks at the charts, right? So he puts out some amazing videos, and so this last one is Traders Reality. So if I just, with one click, I can switch everything over to how the chart looks for Traders Reality. It's got the way his candles are set up, the way that what indicators I have saved. So I have the Traders Reality. I have the volume on the daily ranges. Got the indicator on the bottom, so I can easily switch back and forth with one click between how I want to look at the charts. So it's really, really cool. Basically, you just put all of the indicators on that you want to have in that specific setup, right? And then you're just going to click that icon right there. You're going to hit Save Indicator Template and name it, and then it's going to put it on this list. Before you have any of these, yours is going to look like this, where it just has all these defaults. So I just hit this little arrow, that way it hides all those, and then I starred mine. So if you star them, it puts this little circle there, so you can just easily go back and forth. You don't have to click on this and then click the name of it. So just takes a step out. So I have my four favorite ones, right? So I got Market Cipher, which I showed you already, the Traders Reality. I'm also learning TPO right now from the Trade Vets. So this is kind of like my setup that I have when I'm looking at TPO, which is time price opportunity. So this is all just based on a 30-minute chart. So and then I'm also working on like a 5-minute strategy as well. So one thing I'm doing right now is I'll go to like a dual screen layout, and I can click on this first window right here and click on my 5-minute strategy. And then I can click on the second window here and click on TPO. And I can kind of be watching both at the same time. And yeah, so it automatically loads all of my indicators. Now I can watch two things at once. And yeah, it's a lot better than, hey, let me delete these indicators, add back, especially if you're on like the free version or just the pro version where you only get, I think, 5 indicators. So this is really cool. It's made it super easy and simple to switch back and forth between different styles that I want to look at. So yeah, that's what I got for you guys today. If you liked the video, make sure you guys give us a thumbs up. And if you're not already, subscribe. We got all kinds of cool content that we post. And if you guys have anything that you want us to cover in a future video, make sure you leave it down in the comments. So, all right, well, we will see you guys next time.